So there are a few things I want my other fellow autistic parent out there to know. Number one is TV. TV can help an autistic kid self-regulate and calm down. Honestly, just pick a familiar TV show or movie, the one that they like, dim the light, reduce the volume of your room or living room, and sit beside them and look how their mood change. Trust me, I don't have a screen time limit in my house anymore, because when my kid is stress-free, I'm stress-free. When she's calming down, I'm calming down. And that's how our days go, and that's how I'm able to take care of her. Number two is eye contact. If a child does not want to give you eye contact, don't force it. A lot of people are assuming that when the children don't give you eye contact, that means they don't understand you. Trust me, autistic children, especially those non-verbal, they understand. They may not be able to respond to you, but they understand. So don't force eye contact, because you're going to add overload sensory to them, and that is going to cause meltdown and crying. And third is masking. Please, my fellow autistic parent, don't force your child to act normal. There is nothing as normal. They are perfect and good the way they are, okay? When you start correcting them and wanting them to act normal like other kids, you damage their self-esteem. You cause them to question themselves, and this can lead to mental health. They may think that, okay, I'm not good enough, I'm not perfect, maybe mommy is ashamed of me. That's not good. You don't have to care. People that will always judge your autistic kids, they will always judge your parenting style, but you don't have to care. Try to force and make your kid as normal. Number four is loud and bright space. Autistic children, they are already sensitivity to light and bright noise. So if you take your kid to the loud and bright space and she don't want to stay, or they don't want to stay there, don't force them to stay. Just leave or give them a break. When they're self-regulate, you can take them inside again. But if they don't want to stay, you don't have to care about disappointing some people. Trust me, I've been canceling a lot of appointments and a lot of meetings lately because my child is not well, or I don't feel well. So don't force your child to stay in a bright and loud noise, because that's sensory overload for autistic children. Number five is punishing public meltdown. Honestly, yes, it's true. When a child is screaming or crying in a public or grocery store, people stare. That's true, but you don't have to worry about them. Just go down on your child level and use a strategy that you always use that helps them calm down and self-regulate. People that will always stare. People that will judge your parenting style. That's public. They always judge. Even the children that we call them normal, they have meltdown sometimes, but you don't have to worry about pleasing other people. You don't have to worry because people stare at your kid. Just calm them down, and that's it, and they will feel that you care about them. Number six, dear autistic parent, let's not compare our children to others. They're good and perfect, and every kid is unique on their own way. And trust me, even on this spectrum, all autistic kids are not the same. They are different, and everybody, has a unique development timeline. Everybody is different, and every kid is unique on their own way. You don't need to compare your kid to others just because your kid is delaying on speech, just because your kid is delaying on toilet training. You don't have to compare. Just accept your kid, and that's all you have to do. And lastly, is a comment from parents who think they know it all. And when I say that, I believe every autistic parent knows this person, because comments are hurtful. And people always comment, but they don't understand, or maybe they understand it, but they just act like, they are good at doing everything. Always there will be opinion, there will be always a comment. Everybody has their own parenting style, and everybody want to raise the kid the way they want to. So you don't have to tell me to do what you do. That works for you, but may not work for me and my autistic child. So I don't care what they say, they talk. When I have time, I listen to them, but most of the time I just walk away and say, thank you. I accept my child the way she is. She's nonverbal. So I'm her voice. I'm her advocate. I love her to death. And I do not care about what everyone else say or think about me and my child.